welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to open another box by one of my favorite companies, Slumberkins. This is a mystery box from them, and it's going to hopefully be full of all kinds of fun surprises for my kiddos. So I can't wait to open it up. Grab your favorite beverage and let's see what's inside. Cheers! Now, Slumberkins is a company that is focused on social and emotional regulation in kids of all ages. They have all kinds of toys, stuffies, games, books, everything kind of has a theme. They're just an all-around great company. They offer lots of support for therapists, for parents, for teachers. They're always giving back to the community. They have scavenger hunts, they have sales, they're always offering new products, and I just absolutely love supporting them. And my kids love, kind of the stash that I'm creating for them. So this is the Boredom Buster Mystery Box. It's quite large. This was on sale for $99, and it's supposed to have over $160 worth of goodies inside. I did get it for a little less than that just because I had a code, but either way, it was definitely worth it. So first off, let's see. Woo! There's a dragon egg. I've actually been wanting these. These are super cute. They go with the dragon character. Each character has its own story, kind of means different things, and this one particular, I think dragon is creativity. Well, he has these eggs and there should be little floofs inside, and let's see what's inside. Oh, this is a sky blue peep. This is first floof. That is super cute, really soft. All of these items are made really well, and quality is just really important to them. See what else I have. Ooh, I have another dragon egg. They must have known I had twins because it's going to be hard to decide who was going to get the dragon egg. And usually when that happens, I just have to keep it for myself, let's be honest. Let's kind of stop the fight between the kids, just keep it for ourselves. So, oh, and this one is a melon colored platypus. So you can see, nice and soft, little flat tail. These are so cute. I can't wait to give these to the twins. I just have to figure out the right time. And both of them come with a little pack of stickers. So that's fun too. So far, this box is off to a great start. Let's see what else there is. This is an affirmation puzzle, 32-piece round puzzle. Each animal kind of has its own thing. So this says, "The world is better because I am here." Super cute affirmation puzzle. And my twins love doing puzzles, so it's right up their alley. Next, I have a activity coloring book. So this is a coloring book, but it also has opportunities for children to express creativity, think critically, and build social emotional skills. So you can kind of see it's not just a coloring book. It kind of has activities for them. Like, for instance, Ibex feels deeply and shows care for others. Use the key below to color the different emotions to show how Ibex feels. Draw something you'd like to do with your heart family for Otter. So lots of fun things that we can kind of do as a family. So that's exciting. Nice coloring book with activities too. Let's see what else. Okay. Next, I have Creatures Full of Feelings playing card deck. I love this. Slumberkins has really helped us with big feelings with the twins, with gratitude, with sadness, with madness. Each character helps with something else, and what I like is being able to play games as a family. In fact, we just started playing board games, so it's really nice to have another game to play as a family. And these cards, let's see, each card has kind of its own thing. So this is Sprite, and he is worried. So you can kind of see. We're still kind of getting used to playing games and teaching them to take turns when playing games and follow the rules. All right, keep digging in. Okay, this is a big one. Now I see why the box was so big. So this is the end of my box, but I saved the best for last. This is a Slumberkins Kinspiration Kit. So this is going to be a kit that they can do, or that we can do all kinds of things in it. And let's see what this one is. So this is Bigfoot's box. I'll show you. Bigfoot's box. So this includes a storybook, activity cards, a clubhouse playset, some wooden creatures, felt headband, clubhouse headband accessories, matching games, mushroom pegs, and a little backdrop. So all kinds of fun things we can do. I'm sure there's hours of learning and fun that we can kind of play together as a family. This is probably going to be a great Christmas gift, kind of one of those for the entire family things. But either way, I'm really excited to continue adding to my Slumberkins stash anytime there's a birthday or another event where I'm gonna give gifts, or I even give them as gifts to friends. I mean, I have a stockpile of Slumberkins, and I just love, you know, kind of buying and adding to my stockpile and seeing what else I can get. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed opening this box with me. Please comment down below if you like Slumberkins, what your favorite things from them are, if you like them, if your kids like them, if you have any questions about Slumberkins. I absolutely love them. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.